My name is Anvei Phạm, and my student ID is 223042074. Today I will take you through the details of the entire project. The content of this task was to utilize the YouTube API to extract data of videos that have COVID-related content, and then analyze it. Specifically, I cleaned the video's titles with NLP methods provided by Gensim, such as stripping punctuations or removing stop words, before getting the sentiment score of comments by using the text block module. So, first of all, is the cleaning project. So this is after the process of cleaning the data already provided in the notebook, now we have the videos data frame and the comments data frame, and these two data frames were merged by the pd.merge method, and now we have the videos comments data frame, and this is the only data frame I'm gonna use in this task. So first of all, I'm gonna check if there's no value in the data frame, and I found out that there are 95 records no values in the common text column. So I decided to remove them all by using the drop NA method with a subset of the common text column. So after dropping the no values, I checked the data frame, and the column was cleaned. Here is the common text column. Afterwards, I check if there's any duplicated value, and I found out that there are 7,700 no value, duplicated value in the video title column. So I decided to drop them all using the drop duplicates with a subset of the video title, and you can see on the screen that there are no duplicated value anymore. So I decided to choose the question E3, and the question was, check if the following hypothesis is true. Video titles that contain certain words are more likely to elicit certain sentiments in the comments. Use visualizations and discuss your observation. Use function get sentiment score. So to answer this question, I'm gonna use the Gensim module and also the text block module. So I import the method provided by Gensim in this block by writing from Gensim, parsing, processing, and import all the methods that I'm gonna use. So first of all, I'm gonna use the NLP methods to clean the video titles with the function that I defined here, which is the clean text, which takes in a line of text. And first of all, I'm gonna apply the lower method to lowercase all the text that was input, and then I use the strip non-alphanum to remove all the non-alphabetic characters from the text, and then I applied the strip punctuation, and finally is the remove stop words function. This function returns the text. So after having the function, I'm gonna apply it to the video title column by using the applied method with taking the clean text function that I defined before, and I store the new video title that were clean into the title cleaned column in the video's comments data frame, as you can see here. And then I'm gonna get the sentiment score based on the comments. So I'm gonna apply the get sentiment function that was defined before, provided in the notebook, applied it to the common text column in the video's comments data frame, and I'm gonna save the sentiment score into a new column. Afterwards, I'm gonna group the data frame by the sentiment score column, and I stored it into a new variable called grouped videos. Then to easier understand the data, I visualize the data with 3 subplots. So I create the figure object as well as the access object with this line of code here. So afterward, I'm gonna loop over the group videos variable to calculate word frequency before plotting them. So here is the looping line of code, as you can see. I also add a running variable, which is I, with the enumerate function. So first, I'm gonna gather all the separated titles and assign them all into the all words by using the join method to an empty string. Um, then I'm gonna split all words into a list, as you can see here. Split method, and this gonna return a list object. So afterward, I convert it into a series object using the pd.series function provided by pandas. So uh, using this by using this function, I can now apply the value counts method provided by pandas to count all the word, and now I already got the frequency of the word used in the comments. Then I'm gonna select the words that appear the most in the data frame. But here I have a note that I noticed that the top 6 to 8 keywords with the highest frequency in all sentiment groups are related to the topic of the dataset, such as news, pandemic, or coronavirus. Therefore, I decided to remove the top 8 keywords and just focus on the remaining ones. That's why I just cut the list at this position from 8 to 80 to 58. Now I got the top 50 words stored in the top words variable. Then I used the word cloud library to visualize the data, and I also custom the plots at this by this line of code. So this is the final result of the whole process. And taking a look of this plot, I have some observations. The first one is based on the context. Keywords such as new, amid, and death evoke negative comments when they are associated with the early stages of the COVID outbreak, which were the deadliest. This results in negative comments. For the second observation, we can see that in the positive group, keywords such as vaccine, response, and global stand out. Because when querying comments from the dataset, these keywords appear to refer to the response of governments worldwide and the emergence of vaccines. This results in the positive comments. So, in conclusion, there's a moderate correlation between the keywords mentioned in the video title and the sentiment score in the comments section. So that's the end of the code that I'm gonna walk you through. So about my experience of this project, I found that the process of cleaning data with NLP methods was challenging. Additionally, I have never used the word cloud method to visualize the data, so I was also struggling with it. However, I think I overcame it successfully by reading a lot of documents and articles. So that's the end of the presentation. Thank you for listening.